God, cross joints. I hate cross joints. Let me spin the camera around, let me show you the dilemma I'm in. I've made a boo-boo. Oh God, cross joints. I hate cross joints. Let me spin the camera around, let me show you the dilemma I'm in. Right, issue is cross joint. I don't like putting cross joints in, I hate it. Right, let me explain. I can't put a thin one in here because I'll have a cross joint there. I can't put a square in there because I'll have a cross joint there. I can't put a 3/4 in because I'll have a cross joint there. Nightmare, nightmare, nightmare. Actually, change my mind. If I rip that one up and rip that one up and put a big one in, then I don't have my cross joint. All right, okay, let's rip it up. Let's start again. All because of a cross joint. Dilemma over. I lifted up that square and that offcut I had there, so I put a 3/4 in. So now I'll put a small cut in there. I'll cut that one, and then I don't have a straight joint, a cross joint even. Jag